The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through 2024 Ram 1500 TRX. Previously had the Retrax Pro XR tonneau cover installed, and we've just installed the Yakima OverHaul HD bed rack. So this is a height adjustable system consisting of the 68-inch long HD load bars, the OverHaul HD towers, and tonneau kit 1 that allows it to work with the accessory rail on the Retrax Pro XR model. So locks are included. Again, this is height adjustable, tie down loops on the inside of the towers with bottle opener down below. In addition to the locks, all the exposed hardware does have tamper resistant fasteners to it. So a really great system with a 300-pound on-road capacity, 180-pound off-road, and an 800-pound static load capacity. So anyways, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the links in the description below. So that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.